I am looking for a quote. I do not know if this door needs to be repaired, just repaired, or if it has to be replaced. Basically, during the windstorm sometime today, because the door was perfectly fine around 6 this morning, I believe a gust of wind came along and pulled the door out of where it should be. So as you can see, this part here is far away from where it should be. So I don't know if I need a new door at this point, a new screen door, or if this can somehow be repaired. I'm kind of thinking if one strong man was on the outside, lifted up, pushed in, another small man was on the inside with a drill bit in the screw. This could be fixed, but if the only solution is replacement, I'll go with that. Basically, don't need to freeze my rear end off for the next few months. So looking for a quote to take care of this problem with the screen door.